Welcome back, guys. Harry here, known as Trade Shop, and today we have some very interesting things. You can see it caught my resistance here quite nicely, which is just all-time high. It's a range, right? But Bitcoin, huge bullish candle here. I talked about in yesterday's video, and just after that, which was somewhere around here, we got that continuation after making a tiny pullback, which is of course normal. Now getting a pullback here at our previous all-time high, almost smashing through all-time highs. But yeah, now I'm bullish. We had the closure above that 4-hour range, which you can see here, and I'm confirmed bullish. We're having a small pullback here, but it looks like we're getting a 4-hour wick fill, which is very interesting. You know, we could make this top wick come down. We still don't have a bottom wick, and you know, that just does mean that, you know, there's a lot of momentum in the market, but we could come back down and test around these areas here, which would even look even stronger for upside continuation. But also keep in mind, guys, all of this movement now during the weekend is also generating a gap in the CME chart, right? So in the CMEs that have stopped here, we're going to have a gap, and we might see a small pullback coming into the week. Also keep in mind, we do have this IPO coming for Coinbase, so I think this is the market pricing that in, and this is the market now getting excited, people jumping into Bitcoin because of this IPO, and you could expect a pullback after this IPO. Very normal to see, but in any means that is not breaking structure. Sorry for that, smash my microphone. Not breaking structure. I am not bearish now on Bitcoin officially until we break 55,000. So we have a lot of room to go, and it looks like we have continuation. So if we close the daily today above 61,000, that's, you know, continuation coming into the next week. I do think we do have continuation all the way up to my target here at 65,000, and then on top of that, continuation to 71,000. So we have some pretty crazy targets here, and I do see this continuation. I'm just out of interest. Yep. So all-time high was, if you look at that quite perfectly, was an area for a pullback, and you can see that we did get that pullback on the 1-hour time frame, but it's looking like it's putting in a base. We do have 43 minutes. So to confirm this base, what you need is, we need this candle to close bullish, strong bullish, like how it is now, break the previous candle wick, and then the new candle needs to break its own wick, and then I could see some upside continuation. So we'll have a look at and see what this happens. But guys, I am bullish, but keep in mind we are making a gap on CMEs, and we could easily pull back. And I do think, you know, we are today, if I'm not wrong, what's the date today? Today's the 10th. So four days until we get the IPO. So we could see price jump up all the way to this high 69,065, and then after the IPO have a slight pullback, but still continuing the upwards trend of Bitcoin. So let's have a quick look at Ethereum here. Same sort of price action we're getting in Ethereum, but Ethereum is actually breaking through all-time highs. Yeah, we are, and this is a very strong breakout here, closing above, immediate continuation, very clean here. I'm looking for my 2,310 target to be hit very soon, looking at that. And I do like Ethereum. It does look very good, but again, we could have a pullback on Ethereum, and it looks, Ethereum is same chart as Bitcoin. It's practically the same. So those are my targets that I'm giving on Ethereum and on Bitcoin. So you can see where I'm expecting price to go. Just to take a new measurement, we'll take it from this new base down here. Yeah, around the same targets. I'm going to stick with my original targets. So 2,310 and 2,548 for longer term targets. But yeah, I think this is going to go up and onwards. This is looking great. Markets are bullish. Quick update today. Enjoy your weekend. Take care. Trade sharp. Until tomorrow.